Okay, so we're heading to the living room and you can see the view from here. Oof. View from the kitchen. Okay, so I'm cooking breakfast. यहाँ पर पानी गर्म हो रहा है. यहाँ पे I'm gonna cook 2 eggs and कल रात का पुलाव is there. So that's gonna be my breakfast. Okay, so breakfast is all prepared. There's curd, there's eggs, there's kal raat ka pulao, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the breakfast, and now I'm gonna head out to show you guys around. I don't know आज का क्या plan है. I don't have any tasks for the day, so let's go. Okay, so my car is covered in snow. अभी थोड़ी देर तक तो मैं नहीं निकलूँगा. I'll wait for the sun to melt the snow so that थोड़ा रास्ता clear हो जाए. And so this is the new property where I'm staying. 10 bedroom boutique stay. And इसके attic में I have 2 rooms. So I just shifted here last night. And yeah, it started snowing today. So I've decided कि अभी गाड़ी ले जाने का point नहीं है. बिकॉज रास्ते में काफ़ी बर्फ़ है जो कि 2-3 घंटे में पिघल जाएगी. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना वॉक एंड शो यू अराउंड एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस एरिया माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि मैं भी यहाँ पर नया हूँ. सो या माई न्यू प्लेस इज़ जस्ट नियर सोलांग वैली. तो इट गेट्स रियली कोल्ड हियर ड्यूरिंग द विंटर्स. यहाँ पर हवा बहुत तेज़ चलती है बुरुआ पलचान एरिया में. ओके, सो आई हैव चेंज्ड माई माइंड. द रास्ता सीम्स ओके फॉर द कार टू गो. So I'm gonna go back down, get the car. I'm using my hiking stick to clear some snow off so that the visibility improves. Okay. Here we go. तो यूजुअली बर्फ़ पड़ने के बाद 1-2 दिन तक लाइट नहीं होती. तो आई एम होपिंग आज ऐसा ना हो, बिकॉज माई GoPro इज़ नॉट चार्ज, माई फ़ोन इज़ नॉट चार्ज एंड इतनी बर्फ़ नहीं पड़ी है. तो आई फील कि लाइट आ जानी चाहिए, विच विल मेक माई लाइफ थोड़ा ईजियर. लुक एट द टूरिस्ट वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड. डैम इट, लुक एट द ट्रैफिक जैम हियर. माई गॉड. Okay, so plan has changed. I can't go back and collect the firewood because of the traffic. If I go back, I can't return. So I'm just gonna pick up the groceries and head back home. I've got some groceries, some chips and some vegetables for the night and good to go. Okay, so I'm taking you guys to Majaj. It's a very small village near my house and I'm gonna be taking you for a walk. The walk is around 15-20 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Damn it. And we're gonna be heading up this nala and find a pretty spot. Let's go. And I think यहाँ से 10-15 minutes की walk है, and then I'm gonna reach my destination, chill there for a bit, then go home. So this place is around 20 minutes from my place. थोड़ी बहुत धुंध हो गई है यहाँ पे. इट फील्स लाइक इट माइट स्नो हियर अगेन. Okay, seems like a dead end here. I can't go इससे आगे. So I'm gonna hang out here for a while. Just enjoy this pretty weather. And yeah, look, I found a place where I can sit. nothing much else to do. So I'm heading back now. Yeah, I think I didn't feel like uploading for a month or two, and it's just because of the snowfall that I thought, "Ki, let's just get back to recording again." So yeah, I mean, mood काफी अच्छा हो जाता है when you're out here in this weather. The Rasta is cleared already. Seems like it's gonna be a sunny day. So yeah, gonna go home, light the tandoor, read something, cook something for myself, and call it a day. So yeah, I'm gonna fire up the tandoor and make a meal for myself and call it a day. So thanks for watching this vlog, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. See you soon.